We are discussing what? We are discussing the ray diagrams in lenses. Okay, it is very important to understand the image formation in lenses. Okay, so let's recall the first case in mirrors. What's happening in concave mirror? When a ray is passing parallel to the principal focus, the reflected ray is passing through the focal point. Here in lenses, you don't find reflected ray, but we have the refracted ray. So the ray of light, right, ray of light from the object parallel to the principal axis after refraction from the convex lens passes through the principal focus. See, ray of light coming parallel to the principal axis after refraction passes through the principal focus. This is in the case of convex lens. So what's happening in concave lens? In the case of concave lens, the ray appears to diverge, right? So the ray appears to diverge from the principal focus located on the same side of the lens. See, if the ray, incident ray is coming parallel to the principal focus, what's happening here? So the diffracted, sorry, the refracted ray appears to be coming to principal focus on the same side, right? I hope you remember this case. Convex mirror will be the case of concave lens. See, I hope you remember in convex mirror what happened, right? So if we take the light ray coming, right, like this, it will be reflected. Here it is refracted. In this case, what happened? Concave lens, the ray appears to diverge from the principal focus located on the same side of the lens as shown in this figure. Okay, so let's see the second case, guys. Careful. What's happening in second case? A ray of light passing through the principal focus. See, this ray of light is passing through the principal focus. What happened? After refraction from the convex lens will emerge parallelly to the principal axis, right? So this is in the case of, again, convex lens. In concave lens, what's happening? A ray of light appearing to meet the principal focus. So this is ray of light, right? It seems to be appearing to the principal focus, right? Will refract, or emergent light will be parallel to the principal focus. Sorry, parallel to the principal axis, right? So ray of light appearing to meet a principal focus of concave lens after refraction will emerge parallel to the principal axis as shown in this figure. And in last case, what happens in convex lens? The ray of light which is passing through the optical center will emerge without diffraction. No diffraction, right? Same in the case of concave lens also. Without diffraction, it is emerging. Clear, guys? See, case 1, incident rays parallel to the lens. So, it is emergent rays passing through the focus point. Right? Case 1 in concave lens, incident ray is parallel to the focus. So, the emergent ray will be appearing to be passing through the focal point. Right? And it diverges. Next, ray 2 in second case, incident 1, convex lens, the ray is passing through the focal point. So the emergent ray will be parallel to the principal axis. And in concave mirrors, what's happening? The ray which is appearing to be passing through the focal point, light emerges parallel to the principal axis. In third case, the ray which is passing to the optical center in both concave and convex mirrors will not be diffracted. Okay, guys?